let's bead this dress together, shall we? So this right here is the empty base. We're only going to be beading the bust area of this dress. Trust me, you will like this design. It's very easy and very straightforward. I mean easy. If you don't have any ideas on what to do and how to bead, I always have ideas for you. So this is what we're going to be using: 3 sizes of stones, and also going to be using 3 sizes of crystal beads. That is size 6, 8 and 4. So let's jump in. So first things first, we're going to be using a slightly longer needle because the stones are going to be far from each other. So I want something that will travel easily. First of all, we'll tie the thread. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing right here because it's an invisible thread. I don't know whether you're going to see how we're going to tie it, but we're going to start fixing the stones. I use this big one right here. I put fewer of it. I didn't think I put up to 5 on a bust, maybe like 3 or 4. And then I use the medium size more than that big one, and then I use the smaller size even more. So the smallest size was more, the medium size was a little less, and the bigger size was the least. Now we've dropped that stud. Next thing to do is to put your needle under the stud and bring out your needle exactly where you want the next stud to be. Put the stud in the needle, and that's the simple method down, how to and fix then this. So we're going to do the same thing. Just bring out under the needle under and bring out the needle, bring it out and just repeat the circle. By the time we were done, this is what we finally achieved. If you look at it, the big one is not so much, but somehow there was an even distribution how I want it. Feel free to do it anyhow you want it, it will still work. So now it's time to introduce the crystal beads, but before then we're going to be measuring the area we want the crystal beads to be. Now we need it to be clustered at the bottom and a little more scattered at the top area of the bust. I'll explain. Now what I'm doing right here is to measure, because I drew the first bust freehand, so I have to replicate exactly the same design in the next bust. So to do that I have to measure. Now we're going to be using the size 8 crystal to cover up the area that I have marked. So I'm going to fix it 2 clustered beading pattern. So I'm dropping 2 right there, and then I'm going to be bringing out the needle just about anywhere. I mean at this point anywhere, because if there's any space you still just put a bead to cover it up. So I'm bringing it out right there, and the next thing I'm going to do is to take 2 other crystals and just keep fixing it and keep going until I have filled out all the areas I feel like I need to fix. So I just keep putting it that way and keep fixing. Please, when you're fixing it, make sure you're pinching only the top fabric, not the cup, not the pad, nothing, just the fabric. This is so that you don't change the shape of the bust. If not, you're going to destroy the sculpting that was done on this bust right here. So I'll just keep doing that and keep filling it. I don't know if you're patient enough to watch me do all of it, because sometimes, but yeah, I'm going to cover everywhere else, and this is what it looks like by the time I covered it up. Now this is all the area I wanted to cover. Now for the upper part, I'm going to be putting the other sizes of crystal, like the 3 sizes, the size 6, size 4 and size 8. I'm going to scatter it around that bust area the way these stones and studs were scattered. So I adjusted the clustered beading at the bottom a little bit because I felt that one was not big enough. So I've done that for the 2 sides. Remember, we're trying to do for both sides, so they'll both be equal. And then these are the beads I'm going to use. These are the 3 sizes. So I'm going to start fixing it right now. So I'm going to put in one right there, put the needle under the bead and bring it out just anywhere I want it to be. Put the next one and put the needle under the bead. Make sure it's under the bead and bring it out. Put the next bead and just keep bringing out your needle somewhere far, somewhere where you think it should sit. Use your discretion to arrange it, make it a little scattered and all of that. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. I don't want it to be as full as the bottom side. I just want it to be reasonable, and that's what I'm doing right here. I'll just keep filling it out until I am satisfied. Feel free to add more or less if that's what works for you. But yeah, I am almost at the end of this, so I'll finish it up right now. Go ahead and do it for the second bust, and by the time I've tied it and I am done, this is what both of them look like. So this is the finished work. If this video was useful to you in any way, let me know in the comment. See you in my next one. Bye.